What does LMAO mean in Roblox?
Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we're going to be tackling a very interesting topic, internet slang, specifically, what LMAO means in the context of the popular online game Roblox.
What is LMAO?
To start with, let's break down what LMAO means. It's an acronym that stands for Laughing My A Off asterisk. It's a phrase that's often used in text conversations, social media, and online games to express a great amount of laughter or amusement. It's akin to saying, "That was so funny, I was laughing really hard."
What is Roblox?
Now that we know what LMAO stands for, let's explore Roblox. Roblox is a massively popular online platform where users can create and play games created by other users. It's a creative, immersive, and social experience that attracts millions of players worldwide.
How is LMAO used in Roblox?
In the context of Roblox, just like in any other online social platform, LMAO holds the same meaning. Players use it in their chats to express that something is extremely funny. If a player does something amusing, makes a funny comment, or if there's a hilarious moment in the game, you might see someone comment, LMAO, in the chat. It's just their way of sharing their amusement with other players. It's important to note that LMAO, like many slang words, should be used appropriately and respectably. While it's a fun way to express laughter, it's not appropriate in all situations, especially if the content isn't suitable for a laugh. In conclusion, LMAO is a fun piece of internet slang that's used in Roblox to express a high degree of amusement or laughter. Remember, while these slang terms can add flavor to our online interactions, it's important to use them respectfully and appropriately. We hope this explanation has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, happy gaming, and keep laughing!